రామ శ్రీరామ కోదండ రామ.
Jai Shri Ram. This is Om Prakash from Sri Rama Sangeetalaya. With the divine grace of Sri Rama, we have started the construction of Bhadragiri Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami Devasthanam at Amadagondapalli near Berigai, Hosur. This is 5 crore project. Any monetary support for this noble cause would go a long way in completing the task of construction within a short period of time. Devotees who are interested in contributing towards the construction of the temple may do so either by transferring to the bank account of the trust or QR code for the same. We also pray to Sri Rama to shower his blessing to you and your family. Jai Shri Ram. Now I am going to play and teach Santatam Pahimam Notuswaram. Notuswaram Santatam Pahimam Ragam Shankarabaranam 29th Medam Rupakatalam Chaturashra Nadai Shruti C. Layam 80. Composer Muthuswami Dikshitar. Santatam Pahimam tutorial. Ragam Shankarabaranam 29th Medam Rupakatalam Taka Taka Dhemi or Takademi Takademi Takajanu. Shruti C. Layam 80. Arohanam Avarohanam Sari Gama Padani Sani da pa ma ga re sa 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 re ne sa re ga ga ma ga re sa santatam pahimam sangeeta shamale re sa ni sa pa da ni pa 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 ma ga ma 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 ga re sarvadhare janani chintitartha prade chidrupi ni shive Gama gari sa gama pa da pa ma gari sa Shri Guru Guha Sevite Shiva Mohakare sa sa re ne sa re ga ga ma ga re sa santatam pahimam sangeeta shamale re sa ne sa pa da ni pa 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 ma ga ma 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 ga re sarvadhare janani chinti दाप मा ग रे सा। श्री गुरु गुह सेविते शिव मोहकारे संततं पाहि मां संगीत श्यामले सर्वधारे। जननि चिन्तितार्थप्रदे चिद्रूपिणी शिवे श्री गुरु गुह सेविते शिव मोहकारे संततं पाहि मां संगीत श्यामले। Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe our BSRD Bhakti channel. Jai Shri Ram. लोक समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त सन्मंगलानि भवन्तु।